How 1.5-inch deep rectangular wheel spacers before and after. Will deep rectangular wheel spacers make a difference? If you're interested in buying new offset rims for off-road touring, you may have run across 1.5-inch wheel spacers. By spacing the wheels out about 38.1 mm, 1.5-inch spacers solve rubbing problems easily and quickly. The 1.5-inch deep rectangular wheel spacers are auto accessories that add more inner wheel clearance. Whether you are upgrading to weather tires or bigger performance brakes, keeping the back spacing correct will avoid most rubbing problems. Simply put, 30 mm to 2 inch is the best size range for deep rectangular wheel spacers. If you want to have more accurate data, it is better to measure the wheel gap. By increasing the track width, the contact points of the tires are enlarged, which results in more stability and smoothness. For most car mode lovers, these 1.5-inch deep rectangular wheel spacers are the easiest and most cost-effective way to get the more aggressive stance. Before installing wheel spacers for your Jeep Wrangler, it is important to check that the spacer has the correct size of hub and bolt pattern for your Jeep Wrangler. Simply put, the 1.5-inch Jeep Wrangler wheel spacers are almost the same as many low offset wheels. The best part is that a set of quality wheel spacers can provide a similar effect as offset wheel, but cost less. Just like the wheels, forged aluminum is better than cast steel. Bonus Forged Active Cooling Jeep Wrangler wheel spacers are made of high-quality forged 6061T6 and 7075T6 aluminum alloy. After the unique super forging process, the strength, hardness, and toughness are greatly enhanced. Since aluminum alloy has good thermal conductivity, the aluminum wheel spacers will dissipate brake heat better. Bonus Forged Active Cooling Jeep Wrangler wheel spacers are designed with heat dissipation grooves to make brake cooling better. Distributed in petal shape, these grooves allow external cold air to flow continuously inside the wheel spacer when it rotates. The air takes away the heat, so it achieves the purpose of actually dissipating heat for the braking system. There are small notches that are distributed on the corner of the wheel spacers. These notches act as aerolators which tremendously enlarge the airflow, enhancing the heat dissipation effect and increasing safety. After installation, these 1.5-inch Jeep Wrangler wheel spacers become an intrusive part of your wheel combination.